Hello and welcome to our video about the benefits of green energy and how it can help you save money and protect the environment. In this video, we'll be discussing why you should choose green energy for your home and how it can benefit you in the long run. Green energy is energy that is produced from renewable sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower. Unlike traditional energy sources such as coal and oil, green energy is clean, sustainable, and does not produce harmful emissions. By choosing green energy, you can reduce your carbon footprint and help protect the environment. There are many benefits to using green energy, including saving money on your energy bills. Green energy is often cheaper than traditional energy sources, which can help you save money on your energy bills. It also reduces your carbon footprint and produces fewer emissions, helping to protect the environment. Installing green energy systems such as solar panels can increase the value of your home and make it more attractive to potential buyers. Additionally, many green energy systems come with battery backups that can provide a reliable source of backup power in case of an outage. Switching to green energy is really easy. First, you'll need to research green energy providers. Once you've found a provider that suits your needs, you can sign up for their services and start using green energy to power your home. You can also install solar panels or wind turbines on your property to generate your own green energy. If you're looking for a way to generate your own green energy, consider using the Energy Cube system. The Energy Cube system is a revolutionary new device that promises to help you save money on your energy bills while also reducing your carbon footprint. It works by harnessing the power of the sun to generate clean, renewable energy that you can use to power your home or business. The system is easy to install and comes with everything you need to get started, including solar panels, an inverter, and a battery backup. With our affiliate link in the description, you can get an 80% discount on the Energy Cube system and start generating your own green energy today. In addition to using green energy, there are many other ways to make your home more energy efficient. You can install energy-efficient appliances, such as refrigerators, washing machines, and dishwashers that use less energy than traditional appliances. You can also replace your light bulbs with LED bulbs, which use less energy and last longer than traditional bulbs. Finally, you can improve your home's insulation to reduce heat loss and save money on your energy bills. So why choose green energy for your home? By using green energy, you can save money on your energy bills, reduce your carbon footprint, and help protect the environment. Thanks for watching, and let's make Earth green again.